Hello friends, for today's video, let's draw George Pig in his dinosaur outfit. Let's begin by drawing the shape of the head of his dinosaur outfit. Next, its sharp teeth. Then, its eyes. Let's draw the shape of George Pig's face. His nose and lip. Then, his eyes and cheek. I'm drawing the shape of George Pig's body. Next, the dinosaur's tail. The dinosaur's spines from head to its tail. Let's draw George's arms and hands. His legs and shoes. I'm excited! Together, let's add color to George Pig. George Pig's face is light shade of pink. His cheek is pink colored. His dinosaur outfit is green colored. With his dinosaur outfit, George makes friends with all sorts of prehistoric creatures. From friendly herbivores to fierce carnivores, he imagines himself living in a world where dinosaurs roam free and adventure is always just around the corner. The spines of the dinosaur outfit are light shade of green. His arm, hand and legs are light shade of pink. His shoes are black. The spots on his dinosaur outfit are dark shade of green. And there you have it. I hope you have fun today. Thanks for watching.